final example, we are going to solve question number 9. Okay. In question number 9, it says the burger and fries restaurant is running a promotion in which delivery orders receive a discount while dine-in orders receive no discount. So what is the input for this program? Draw a flow chart that displays, so it does not calculate, it displays, print only, the discount percentage. The program should first ask the user for two values. So this is input. Order type, it could be delivery or dine-in, and number of burgers. All our previous examples, the input were numbers. But now here, if you look at order type, we have two types, delivery or dine-in. So it looks like they are string. And number of burgers will be integer. So we have two input, type of order and number of burgers. Let us start first writing the first steps for input, and then we will come back for the rest. So we will copy these three steps from our previous example, and we will just copy them and change them inside. So inside here we need to delete the messages, and we need to delete this one. So first we will ask for print, enter, order, type, and number of burgers. And here we are going to read the order type into order. This is the variable name for order type. And for number of burgers, we will label it as burgers. So we don't need this. So let us see what we can do for next. The program will then determine the discount as follows. So determine the discount. For dine-in, orders receive no discount. So this is the first thing that we need to check for type. If it is dine-in, then we display no discount. Otherwise, if it is delivery, then we have to check for something else. Let's just make the decision box, and we will just copy it from our gallery. And arrange, make our program here, okay? And inside, we need to check for order type. So order, since this is a string, equal dine-in. So we are looking for a string here. If it is dine-in, then we are going to print a message. We can just simply copy a message from here, paste it, remove unnecessary data, okay? So we don't need this, and also we don't need these extra. Arrange our printing, so we need to print a message here by saying print. So what was the message? The message, orders receive no discount. So we write, just simply we write no discount. Okay, no discount. So this is what we are going to have, okay, for order dine-in. Order is equal to dine-in. If order is not dine-in, then we have two options, delivery. So there is no other option, so delivery. Now for delivery, we check for number of burgers. It says if number of burgers up to 2 burgers, which means less or equal to 2, then there is a 25% discount. So I need a decision box here as well. So I will copy it from here, copy those, copy and paste. And then we will link it here. So link it, move it up. But inside, we're not going to check for order because this site for order is already delivery. So we need to check for number of burgers. So here we say burgers less than or equal to 2. If it is less than or equal to 2, then we will print a message here. We will print you have 25%. And if number of burgers is more than, then there is a discount 40%. So I need another print box similar to this. Copy and paste it. So we need to attach it here. There is no space, so we could move the whole graph, the whole flow chart. We can move it a little bit to the left. So we make a space. And then here, take it up and change the message. Okay, you have 40%. So this is our exit from this branch. This is our exit from this branch. This is our exit from this branch. So there is nothing to do at the end. All what we do is just end our flow chart. And then we have to link. So we have to link. And also from here. And from here. It's not straight. So from here. And we have it from here. And we have an arrow. In both cases here we have an arrow. And this is the end, okay, of our flowchart. By then, we have solved enough examples with more than one option. There are other examples to try. For example, if you try number 4, for number 4, here the input is character. So there is a character. Now we have example on reading integer. We have another example of reading a string. Now here we have reading of character. Try it. The idea is almost the same as the idea of the previous examples.